Alright y'all, clicking on this video, you can see that the title and thumbnail states opening day for dove season. That is tomorrow morning. I'm super jacked. Everything we've been doing at the farm, from planting sunflowers, food plots, I mean, it's all leading up to this moment, and finally some of these seasons are starting to come around. And guys, I'm going to throw it out there right now. I was going to go to another buddy's house to try to do some dove hunting, but I've decided to scope out my property for the last couple of days, and even though the sunflowers are not ready, a little update on them. All the sunflowers are up. We have some that are like 4 foot, 5 foot tall, and then we have some that are like 1.5 foot, 2 foot tall. So it was a learning curve. Next year we'll do a couple weeks earlier and more water, and we should be dead on. But we're not going to let that ruin our season. We're still going to go out there. This farm is absolutely unbelievable for just all wildlife. I mean, there's doves still in the power lines. There's doves all around this farm. So tomorrow morning we're gonna have to be out there at like 5:30. So I mean, filming light's gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know we're gonna be running to these two decoys right here. We have like 6 of these. These are just little clips. You can clip them around. And we're gonna have a Mojo running. If you guys don't know what that is, that's what it looks like. And y'all, hopefully tomorrow we're gonna put a smackdown on them. It'd be great for all of us to limit out, but guys, even if we only get 5, 6, 7 birds just to be out there at the farm doing what we love, that's what it's all about. And we might even do a little catch and cook if we get some. So let's jump to tomorrow morning. It is 4:50. We're out here at the farm. Let's hope today is a good day. I'm excited to see what's out here flying, and I'm just out here enjoying myself. It's like I said, it's really hard to film this stuff until we get shooting light, but we're gonna head out there right now, start setting our decoys. And then from there on, she's a waiting game. Let's see what happens. Probably can't see, but decoys are set out. We're gonna be looking this way, tucked right behind. Christopher's already here. We're just waiting on Austin. Ready to do this, man? There he is, walking his ass over here. Nice for you to show up. A little cold, 55 today.
Nobody told me it was gonna freaking snow today.
Christopher brought 2 Red Bulls, gave me 1, and you're rolling up with 1 too. Catch and cook crow. What y'all think?
One of the guys at work.
Also, there's another one in that tree. Did 2 of them fly out? What's right in front of us? Those are doves. Well, if we wait, they might go down to the field. I mean, they're just freaking sitting there, dude. Gotta think, all right, we either wait for them and it starts bringing more in, or we take our chances, we all get up and just start walking as soon as they fly. Ready? Guys, never mind, they look a lot further now. We got them now if they flew. One on the right's getting a little nervous. Guys, I thought we had them. Here we go, they're flying again. Also, is that one down there? Shit. Guarantee they're going to my pond.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here.
They're coming back. Got him. Got him. Christopher flushed them out. I missed the one that was right here, and then we just had a bunch of geese fly over us. And we shot at 3.
I think we're down.
Yeah.
3. One's dead.
Yeah, we dropped one over here. Austin, you were the last one to shoot. I think you got him. So far, it's not been a bad morning. Like I said, I just repositioned the Mojo, so we should be able to try to get in range. But 2 geese down. If you guys don't know, geese are in season right now. We're not just shooting birds, but this is Christopher's Puma, and he's got a shot cam on it too. So we'll be able to try to get some footage of all of us shooting and stuff. Austin, I don't even know where he's at right now. There he is. What you got there, Kearney? Damn. Wish we did. Should we try him? Coming up to him. We should have him now, Christopher, right? He's about to go. God, we suck, dude.
Dude, he's too far away from him.
Christopher's cutting across the power line right now. I'm in front of these 2. And there's still one over there by Austin. Got him. Good shit, Christopher. They couldn't have circled better for us right there. That could have been any better.
Dude, are those doves?
Oh my God. Those are doves, Christopher. Turn it. Holy shit, come over here. Come over here.
That's like 20.
That's like freaking 20 of them. They're coming right towards us. No, those are...
Yeah, they're doves. They're doves.
No, those are pigeons. Can we shoot them? No, they don't have... Pigeons don't have a season. I've never seen pigeons fly over. They don't have a season. We could shoot pigeons. That was cool to see, dude. Little dove. Little dovey.
Dove almost hit me in the face.
We got him. Got him. Oh, I've been looking and looking. Do not know if I'm gonna be able to find this one. Pants are daggone soaked too. Whole body is walking through this shit. It was a big one though. All right, y'all, we're flipping around a little bit. Now we are at a completely different location. And I told you guys I had a backup plan if my farm didn't produce. Now, it didn't do bad for us. We shot some doves, and I'm not really wanting to get, you know, 100 birds. I just want to get enough that we can cook, and we have that right now. I just want to give you guys a little bit more action. So, we're at my buddy's farm where I mentioned in the last video. This is the other 150 acres that we're kind of taking care of this year. And these sunflowers were done right. And, you know, I just got here, and there's already birds flying around at 3 o'clock. So, we're going to do a little evening hunt. Once we get a little bit more action, we're going to whip out the old grill, cook you guys up a couple, and show you why I love dove hunting so much. So I got a couple buddies heading out here with me. Hopefully we're gonna put a smack down on some birds. Let's rig up this goofy thing on my head and let's get to filming. Now when I say the birds are already flying, I don't even know if we need to put the decoys out. They're all in here. When I walked up, there was like 4 or 5, and they kind of just dispersed all in the trees. Here in a second, they're probably gonna fly back down, and when they do, safety's coming off here, pal. There's one. He just flew out the tree. What do you say, boy? There's one. Hey, get him, get him, get him. Shoot him.
Caught him! Caught him!
He gone, yeah. Did y'all see him coming or no?
Yeah, we saw.
Okay.
We were looking at him before y'all even yelled.
Did you shoot him, Drew? What you say, pup?
What's she doing, dog?
You gonna get some doves for me? Damn. That's too damn close for me to even shoot. I could have caught that bastard. Another one right here, right here. There's another one right here. Thanks, pal. She down, she down. That was a very short gap I had before smacking this damn tractor. And just done it out there the shot before. My Pume did not go off because it's a Walmart piece of junk. Could have had 2. The shot before this didn't go off. You just flew over your head. It's a far shot, but there's one right there. Hey, someone get this one here. Here you go. Go ahead, Carter. Get him, get him, get him. Good shot, boys. I wonder how many doves have been shot, like in this county so far. Hey, look down them power lines too. You see any? Nothing. All right, thanks, man. Weird for it to shut down, dude. All right, y'all, the last hunt we did, I stayed all the way until shooting light was over just to try to get as many birds as we can. So we kind of ran out of time to do the cooking portion of it. So we're back out here at the farm the next day, and we're about to whip up some jalapeno poppers, which is by far, I think, one of the best ways to cook dove. But now thinking of it, that's the only way I've ever cooked them. Probably tons of recipes. Y'all leave some comments down below if there's any other way, but I love the jalapeno poppers. So with saying that, I have like a $10 grill from Walmart. This stuff you just light, don't need a lot of fluid, that's the route we're taking. Probably way too much. Oh yeah, let's light her up. So if you don't know what I'm cooking, pretty much it's any type of meat you want, a pepper, cream cheese, and I guess seasoning if you want. I didn't bring any seasoning. And you wrap the joker and bake it. Got some peppers. We're gonna pull the seeds out of these because I'm not big on spice. That is what we're looking like, guys. We're ready to throw them on the grill. Gonna let that sit there and smoke for probably 20-30 minutes. All right, it's been about 11-12 minutes. Let's check them out. Oh yeah. Check them out. almost positive they're done. Oh yeah, are looking good. Now they do stick, but we are gonna make it work. That one might not be done all the way, that last one. Oh, it's hot, and I lost a toothpick. Son of a gun. Don't flip her. There we go. I'll let them cool, but those are looking freaking good, guys. Like I said, there's probably so many different ways you can cook these birds, but like this is what I've always done, and you guys hit me with a new recipe, I'm willing to try it out because season is not over. We didn't have the best action out there. By saying that, it's just kind of comparing to what everyone else did. I mean, some people shoot 100, 200, 300 birds in one morning, so it all depends on what you think is good, but y'all, I still had a blast. For us to be able to go out there and at least see a dove, I get super excited, and you know, I think we shot probably this whole video maybe 15, 20, but as long as I get this right here, it is all worth the trip for me. Let's dive into it. It's still extremely hot. Yep, we're gonna have to wait a little bit. Hot but good. Those jalapenos are spicy as hell, dude. Holy shit, I might do bell peppers next time. If you like the heat, leave the seeds in. Even taking the seeds out, they can still be pretty hot. A normal bell green pepper will do the trick for me. Come to find out, the last couple days, I bought so much cream cheese and I was just trying to figure out what to do with it, and I didn't need that much for this video. I was just putting that stuff in a bagel, dude. I'm a cream cheese fan. And I learned that dove, they kind of cook pretty quick. It's just the bacon that takes, you know, 30, 40 minutes with these jalapeno poppers. Most of my wild game, I prefer to be a little on the rare side. Absolutely just killed those, and I'm craving more already. So if you guys want to see more dove hunts, let me know in the comments down below. I actually might have sought a little bit of permission to the property next to mine, which has the majority of the power line. We can get over there. I'm pretty sure we could smack a couple more. And guys, like I said, this whole video, just this whole process between this whole entire farm, it's all a learning curve, and that's what humbles me. And I can't wait to show you guys updates on the deer, because even the changes with that have happened just in the last month, just by letting it take time and like pretty much just develop. I mean, it's a learning curve to, you know, experience all of this, and if anything fails, you know, you learn from it and you try again next year. And I can already tell you we'll have everything a little bit better by then. Even though I'm on here teaching you guys a couple things, there's still a learning curve for me, and I'm not afraid to admit that, you know, and that's how we'll grow together. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more dove hunts, like I said, you know what to do in the comments down below. Really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Linton Bass TV.